Hello. Hello.
Hello.
What are the on break of the September 16th?
I think that should go on vacation to Paris.
Great, when we go?
If we go on Thursday, we will more days to see the country.
And I fight with Sexter and in the movie.
Don't worry, if we do anything wrong, we'll not succeed anything.
If you're going to be great, enjoy to Paris.
Okay, we bring you a map to know me.
Relax, be fine, Jonathan.
I imagine the great.
I will relax. Everything will be fine.
French women are beautiful.
If you are among the most beautiful in the world.
Perfect. See you tomorrow
In the airport.
in the airport.
Okay.
Bye.
See you.
Okay,
Bye.
okay.
See you.
Bye.
Hey, greet you tomorrow of the airport flight. Yeah?
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.